Hello everybody, and thanks for watching this quick video on one of the most traded stock in the US market, and it is the SPY. This analysis applies totally the same to the index S&P 500 because this is a trust that just follows the index S&P 500. So the price behavior of this the stock SPY and the index S&P 500 is totally the same. So same considerations can be applied to both stock and index. So in front of us there is my technical analysis interpretation with 1 hour candlestick with the red line showing the major trend lines and the blue showing the major trend with all the waves. The idea is with just using simple tools of technical analysis, let's see what we can say, what we can do about this stock. So first of all, I would like to start from exponential moving average. That is one of the most trustworthy tool in tools technical analysis, and as we can see, just playing around with the length, sorry, my bad, I want to put 250, we can see that it worked, I believe, very well as support for this new rally. This one, this one, this one, this one. So amazingly, it is very easy tools showing this uptrend, telling us that the prices is moving upward and it worked as resistance for these bottoms. This is with my technical analysis interpretation, and the trend lines, it's almost parallel to the exponential moving average. So this average is just helping us to identify the trend lines. So now that we got trend lines, exponential moving average, let's see what we can do, and let's see if we can predict the next step of this stock or index S&P 500. So we got that the trend line has been broken in mid-September, giving a weakness signal to this market and giving a support level of 320 US dollar. As we were expecting, was generally when the trend line is broken, this one there is a return move up to the previous trend line, and then the price should go down again to this 320 support level before going up again. So the idea now is that based on technical analysis, this one might work as reversal signal. It seems too early to define it as reversal signal, so I think the option is still to go long following the major trend. So it's easier for a trend to follow the major trend rather than invert or revert its previous trend. So in conclusion, the idea would be to go long following the major trend, but not now. So for now, based only on technical analysis, the best option is to hold, because there is this option that the prices can really go down and up to 320 US dollar, and if this support level will be broken in the next days, meaning that for the next 2-3 days, the price for at least 2-3 days in a row, the close price of a daily market is below the 320 US dollar, it means that this support level has been broken, giving a weakness signal to this stock and a possibility to see this stock keep going down up to perhaps 300 US dollar, but it will happen only if the support level will be broken. What can happen is that the prices will start moving sideways before going up again as per major trend. So based on probabilities, the idea is to go long because it's most probable, or most likely, actually sounds better, most likely that this stock will follow its previous trend, because this one I was not able to find a proper reversal signal to this SPY or S&P 500. SPY or SP 500, yes. So as we are right now, just hold before both options are valid, hold before going long. So what we can expect next, I think for next week, just hold and wait the earnings, sorry, of the major 5 companies that is coming. Actually 4 of them are coming, and are Apple, Microsoft, Google, and there is Facebook. There is still another one is Amazon. Then we are gonna see all of them how they are performing, and then we need to see, based on those 5 major companies, we can have a better idea of how this stock can perform in the next days. So if these 5 companies will be performing very well in the next weeks and earnings report will be good, this SPY will go up directly. This option A will be the chosen one. If all of them, some of them, or the three or four of the five companies will be performing not very good and they start going down and the earnings is not gonna give a good news, the idea is to go that these prices can really go down up to $320. So regarding the S&P 500, the best option now for long term and short term is just hold and wait the earnings of the five biggest company, or just to get a better understanding, just see how they are performing before investing into it, because as everybody knows, the index S&P 500, the biggest five companies that they have a major impact on this index are again Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple and Microsoft. So in front of us how they are performing. So first of all, let's start from Apple. Apple is in a limbo situation, is in a situation where they really they don't know what they are doing actually, because it can be both sides upward, or it can go uptrend following the major trend, or can really go down. It will depend a lot from the earnings. So again, question mark for Apple. The idea is perhaps that it might most likely keep going upward as previous trend. So it might go well. So, and if it will start going upward, it's gonna SPI 500 again, it will go up again. SPI or SPI Trust or the S&P 500 index, they will go up as well. The next one to see is Facebook. Facebook seems to be in the positive rally, so it seems to go up for long-term investment, so it seems to go upward as well. So it's another stock, it seems to go well as well, but just watch out the earnings that is coming at the end of the next week. So, but again, long Apple, long Microsoft overall. Google again seems that it might go long only if this is gonna break out this resistance level of 1,600, approximately, or 1,000, I would say 1,600 in the next days. So it seems that it's already above 1,590. So the idea is that it might go long as well, but again, it's gonna depending on these earnings reports. Let's go to Microsoft. Microsoft again is in the situation where we don't know really, can go down and up, so I would put neutral with that. Again, waiting for the earnings report. And Amazon again, totally same behavior of Microsoft. Actually, both Microsoft and Amazon, to me, if they're gonna follow this triangular shape, the idea is that they should go down up to this level for Amazon, and down up to this support level of almost 195, 198 of Microsoft. So Microsoft and Amazon, they tend to go down. I would say neutral for so this one, kind of neutral, but again, based on the channel theory, this one might really most likely go down. So let's say down. This one seems to go up as the support level has been broken. Up for Google, up for Facebook, and up for Amazon. We are 3 on 2, and again, unfortunately, because we are in a situation where there are not a lot of good, all the news are not all of them on the same page. To avoid to lose money, the best option is just wait up to the earnings report and see after that what is going to happen. So as we are right now with this stock, it's better to wait before going long. I believe all of them, they will start going up again, as well as SPI and this S&P 500, but as we are right now, based on the major stocks that they are in a kind of situation where 3 of them might perform well and the other 2 we don't know, we are on the neutral side, on the they might go down, and it's still, because they are not all of them on the same page, we cannot take this risk to go long for the SPY or S&P 500 index. So in conclusion, just hold for now, and the idea is hold before going long, hoping that the earnings, waiting for the earnings results of those 4 big companies. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.